Hello, welcome to day two. What is freedom of religion? The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open your note sheet and scroll down to day two. From there, what I would like you to do is look over this chart. So, what is this? This is a chart of the emblems of belief for government headstones from the United States Veterans Affairs Branch. And, right, like, you can go ahead and pause me while you answer the two questions. What do you notice about the rich diversity of symbols, and what does that mean for the way that the United States honors its veterans? Also, isn't that mixing up church and state or whatever? Pause me and think about it. And a back. All right. So, yeah, actually, it sure does seem like the state and the church would get mixed up a little bit, and they kind of do sometimes. There's a reason that we have rules all about it. So, in the United States, the freedom of religion is protected in the First Amendment of the United States Constitution. Religious freedom can be defined as the right to practice any religion you choose or to live without any religion at all. Put that definition into your own words and put that into your notes. Now then, this is like another little write-up where you're going to pause me for a minute. You're just going to write up, in your opinion, what is included under the term religious freedom. Pause me and do that. And we're back. All right, so from there, religious freedom, though, is a right. And your next thing to do is you guys are going to watch a crash course on the freedom of religion, and then you're going to do a reading from the ACLU, the American Civil Liberties Union, right? But before we head over to that, Congress shall make no law establishing or respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or of the people to peacefully assemble. So, and to petition the government for redress of grievances. That's the First Amendment. A lot gets covered in the First Amendment, right? But specifically, I'll go ahead and drop into your notes what rights are protected under the First Amendment, and what would be a violation of someone's First Amendment rights. Go ahead, pause me, answer those two questions. Fantastic. Let's get the last little bit of today together for you. So, you guys are going to watch a crash course, on freedom of religion. It's episode 24. Oh, quick heads up. It is not done by either one of the Green brothers. It's done by a dude named Mike, and it is part of their civics set. They're fascinating, by the way, but so when it, turns on and isn't John Green, just don't freak out. All right. From there, once you watch that and grab the notes on it, you guys have a religious freedom reading, right? So, once that's done, you'll spend the rest of the class period reading the ACLU's report on, report of religious freedom as you're reading. So make sure to note the prongs of the lemon test, as that will be on your test, and what is allowed or not in schools as for religious freedom. Lastly, be nice for your sub, and I'll be back on Monday. Bye, guys.